Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Roblox Studio. Let's see today how to write a script for changing in size some part in Roblox Studio. Let's create the part. I want it to be cylinder, for example. Let's move it. Okay. And maybe change its scale like this. Now, I am here in Explorer. This is my part, cylinder, and I am clicking on plus, adding script. And here, let's write it. I'm removing print hello world and adding. Let it be like loop while true do end. Okay, and here table do. I want this size of my part to decrease and then to increase. Okay, so I have to write script parent. You see, this is a script from our part. Parent size. And it will be, the new size will be the previous size, parent size, copy, paste. And I will, for example, do it twice smaller. So multiply by 0.5. All the parameters will be divided by 2 or multiply by 0.5, which is the same. And then in some time, let's add wait, everything to be not very fast. For example, 1 second. Let us do it the same. Copy, paste, the same, and then in 1 second, let us increase all the dimensions, multiplying by 4. So we divide by 2 once, divide by 2 second time, and then we'll multiply by 4 actually. Paste, size, multiply by 4. Okay, now let us see how it works. Let's go to our game. This is our cylinder, but it looks like nothing happens. So let's go back to our script. It doesn't work because size has to be from capital. Yeah, definitely. Letter, and we have to change it everywhere. Okay, let's see now. We did not anchor our cylinder, so it's just falling down, but we can see it changes its size. Okay, let's anchor it. We did it, and now let's see. Yeah, it's better. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.